DDN boosts the performance of NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs, delivering highest performance data management outcome with 10 times faster AI pipelines. Whether it's an AI agent, like in this example, or an AI factory running the largest large language models in the world with hundreds of billions or trillions of data points, at DDN, we're proud to deliver the AI data platform that makes next-generation optimized AI a reality. DDN delivers an exceptional new data paradigm in AI. Our AI data platform is successfully deployed across more than 500,000 GPUs in data centers and clouds worldwide. The business outcome of our collaboration with NVIDIA spans many areas. AI enterprise enablement with significantly better ROI, a safe and rapid deployment and no disruption to existing workflows and infrastructures. This chart illustrates how every dollar invested in NVIDIA can drive significant returns. When you add DDN to the equation, that ROI grows even more. By integrating with AI applications, optimizing data movement, and accelerating checkpoint and model load operations, DDN helps free up valuable GPU resources, cutting down training times and boosting productivity. As a result, DDN not only speeds up AI workloads, but it also translates directly into meaningful revenue gains for our customers, boosting ROI by a factor of 30 times. Now, that is true value for data scientists and AI infrastructure leaders, but it is significant business value for CEOs, CFOs, and CIOs.